This is my great pleasure to welcome you to another interesting tutorial about Google Chrome search. And in this video, I'm going to show you on how to simply turn off Safe Search in Google Chrome search. So let's find out. Well, before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more tutorial tips and tricks on how best to use your Google search. So with that being said, let's get started. After you open up your search engine, you can come to the search right here and type in convert 5 USD to Naira, enter. Now we have the results right here, just like what you see right here. Now, in some cases, if you have some results right here that is not fully displayed by Google, it simply means that you need to work on your Safe Search settings. And for you to work on your Safe Search result, what you need to do is to simply come to the top right here, click on your profile icon, and this is going to drop down. Then scroll down right here and make sure you look for Safe Search right here, which is turned on by default. So click on it. Then it will redirect you right here. Safe Search helps you manage explicit content in your search result, like visual activity and graphic. So this is work of the Safe Search right here. But in some cases, you want to view some of this content that has been screened out from your search result. What you need to do is to make sure you turn off your Safe Search result. And for you to do that, simply click on turn off right here, and your Safe Search is now turned off. Just like what you see from the bottom right here. It's that simple. Then you can click on here to create a new tab. Once you create a new tab, continue your search, and you see the result on every cross section. When you click on, and you're going to see all the results from across every section in your Google search. It's that simple. I hope you really got value for this video. For more useful tutorial on how best to use your Google search, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Peace.